This natural method can help hair grow longer and thicker using simple ingredients in just 7 days. Welcome to Recipes for You, where natural solutions meet science. Today, you'll learn 2 proven hair growth recipes. These ingredients support scalp health and hair follicles. They work together to improve strength and density. Consistent use helps reduce breakage and thinning. Let's begin the first recipe step by step. Start with fresh rosemary leaves in a saucepan. Rosemary improves circulation to the scalp. Rosemary contains antioxidants and rosmarinic acid. These compounds help stimulate hair follicles. Regular rosemary use may support thicker hair growth. It also helps reduce scalp inflammation. This ingredient strengthens hair from the roots. It promotes shine and resilience over time. Add a handful of rosemary to a clean saucepan. This is the base of the treatment. As it heats, active compounds are released. These nutrients infuse into the water. Add 2 tablespoons of rice to the pot. Rice contains amino acids that smooth hair fibers. Rice water helps strengthen and reduce breakage. It also improves hair elasticity. Add a few whole cloves to the mixture. Cloves stimulate blood flow to the scalp. They contain eugenol, which supports hair growth. This helps activate dormant follicles. Improved circulation delivers nutrients to roots. This supports stronger hair strands. Now prepare the final warming ingredient. This step enhances absorption. Add a small piece of cinnamon to the pot. Cinnamon increases scalp blood circulation. This helps oxygen reach hair follicles. Healthy follicles grow stronger hair. Measure your water carefully. Proper ratios matter. Add 1 cup of water, about 200 milliliters. Water extracts the active compounds. As the mixture heats, nutrients infuse the liquid. This creates a concentrated hair tonic. Place the pot on the stove for 5 minutes. Simmer gently, do not boil aggressively. Heat helps release antioxidants and minerals. The solution becomes darker and richer. Strain the liquid through a fine sieve. Remove all solid ingredients completely. The remaining liquid is your hair treatment. Allow it to cool before use. Pour the cooled liquid into a spray bottle. This allows even scalp application. Spray directly onto the scalp. Focus on thinning or weak areas. Apply from roots to ends if desired. Ensure even coverage throughout. Massage the scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. This improves absorption and circulation. Leave the solution in without rinsing. It continues working throughout the day. A mild herbal scent may remain. This is completely normal. Use this treatment daily for 1 week. Consistency is essential for results. Now let's move to the second recipe. This one strengthens hair deeply. The second recipe begins with bay leaves. Bay leaves help reduce hair shedding. They contain vitamins A and C. These nutrients support scalp health. Add 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary. It reinforces follicle stimulation. Add 1 tablespoon of black tea leaves. Black tea contains caffeine and antioxidants. Caffeine helps reduce hair loss hormones. It supports stronger root anchoring. Prepare the water for extraction. This step activates all ingredients. Add 250 milliliters of water to the bowl. Transfer the mixture to a pot. Heat allows compounds to dissolve fully. This creates a potent hair rinse. Boil the mixture gently for 10 minutes. Do not cover the pot while boiling. Strain the liquid once boiling is complete. Let it cool before application. Prepare your spray bottle again. Clean tools prevent irritation. Pour the filtered liquid into the bottle. This solution is more concentrated. Shake gently before each use. This ensures even distribution. Apply only to the scalp. Avoid heavy saturation. Spray evenly and massage lightly. This improves penetration into follicles. Leave on the scalp for 1 full hour. Do not cover with heat. Rinse thoroughly with water and shampoo. Use a gentle cleansing formula. Repeat this treatment twice per week. Do not exceed recommended use. Visible improvement may appear within days. Hair feels stronger and fuller. After 7 days, growth becomes noticeable. Consistency delivers lasting results. Healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. Support it with natural care. These recipes work best with patience. Results improve over time. Thank you for watching Recipes for You. Subscribe for more natural solutions. Share your results in the comments below. Your experience helps others learn.